Welcome to the Albury Wodonga Open Data Hub, a collaborative project through the Two Cities One Community Partnership. In this short explainer, we'll look at the different ways you can interact with the data. If you want to learn more about finding data, check out the previous video. On the Open Data Hub, data is displayed using maps. This might be as an overlay, such as boundaries or areas, or as a set of markers to show where each data point is related to. Let's take a look at a few examples and the different ways you can use the data. In this data set, the map is displaying all of the playgrounds in Albury. By selecting a marker on the map, a pop-up will appear with their information for that data point. You can also view a full summary of the data in a table format by selecting View Data Table on the left-hand side. If we go to the funnel icon in the black toolbar, you can find a number of filters to sort the data in the map or table view. By selecting one or more attributes, the map or table will update automatically, displaying just those data points. In this example, the map is displaying all of the paths in the Wodonga area. If we select a filter such as road type, we can update the view to just a few data points. There are now 97 paths showing, instead of the total 1,548. If we keep this filter and move to the Download tab, you can download a copy of the data set with just the 97 data points. By selecting the Toggle Filters slider, a CSV file or other type of format will be generated. Lastly, you might want to share a link to the data set page itself. By selecting the pointing arrow icon in the toolbar, a shortened link will be generated. This will apply any filters you've added as well. And that wraps up this short series showcasing the Open Data Hub. Start exploring our cross-border community like never before, or check out one of the previous videos to learn more.